Hey guys, want to learn more about the highs and lows of Omaha High-Low? Then you're in the right place. Hey guys, it's Eric here at OntarioCasinos.com. Omaha High-Low is, in my opinion, perfect for players who are just starting out, or for anyone who would like to spice up their usual Hold'em gameplay. I really love how familiar Omaha feels, but how divergent your betting strategies become at the same time.
Same, but different.
Now, if you watched our previous episode on Omaha, you're pretty much 50% of the way towards understanding Omaha High-Low. Now listen close. What sets Omaha High-Low apart is the showdown and the split pot that players need to compete for. Essentially, when the final round of betting finishes, the hands are built and compared in the showdown to see who has the highest ranking hand. But here's the twist. After determining the winner, there is a second showdown. Here, players construct and compare hands again, but this time around for the lowest ranked hand. Each of the winners from both showdowns take one half of the total pot.
Exactly, 50-50.
Now, when it comes to the low hand showdown, it is a little more complex, but don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. To qualify for a low hand, your highest card cannot be higher than an 8, with the ace being the lowest ranked card this time around. Use any two cards you desire from the 4 you have. You can use the same two cards, the other two, or any combination you like. When qualifying for this round, remember that straights and flushes do not disqualify you if all other requirements are met. If multiple players qualify, the winning hand is determined by comparing the lowest card in everyone's hand. The best and lowest possible 5-card hand is the 5-4-3-2 ace. We call that the wheel. And if there's no qualifying low hand, the high hand wins the whole pot. If you manage to win both halves of the pot, this is referred to as a scoop or scooping, and that has to be your goal. Let us know what you think about the Omaha High-Low variation in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and go jump on the notification bell. My name is Eric, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.